So yan, para doon sa mga naghahanap ng repo, meron silang available dito. Marami din sila, no? Tulad dito, may Marvel 125. Ito rin, meron din sila rito. Check natin yung mga odo nila. Hindi natin pala ito, 10,000 yung kanyang odo. Okay. Dito naman, meron tayong 10,000 din yung odometer nito. Tingnan natin makita na digital siya eh. Pero ito icon, meron tayo rito. Di natin makita yung odo nito. Pero ayan, tingin ko naman, ito yung part na to, yung isa na to, yung upuan niya, mukhang pinagdiskitahan to ng ng pusa. No, meron din icon dito na black. Dito sa part na to puro icon. Dito black. Ito makikinis pa to, itong dalawa na to. Okay pa naman tong isa. Yung upuan lang talaga niya yung medyo talagang nasira na ng pusa. So, dito rin meron silang zip. Mga zip na repo natin dito. Ayan. Ito keyblade. Keyblade din. Tapos dito, may mga pan-tricycle tayo rito. Rapido. Ito naman yung Beeperman. Ayan. Sa mga gusto ng repo, marami sila rito ngayon dito. Sa may San Rafael, San Rafael branch. Okay. May zip din dito. Ayan. Then Beeperman na kulay red. Puro red yun nandito. May matte and then glossy. Ay kinis pa yung mga unit dito. So syempre, titingnan nyo pa din kung okay pa yung mga gulong, makina. Check nyo pa rin bago tayo bumili. At least, di ba? Kasi as is yun eh. Kung ano yung nakita nyo rito, yun na yun. Okay? Pero kaya naman pagandahin yan. Okay, ayan, sa mga gustong kumuha ng repo units dito, marami tayong available na unit dito. Mga 125 hanggang 150cc, scooter, tsaka underbone. Meron sila rito. Yung may rack dito. Di ba ako naka-vlog nung rack eh. Yung bagong rack. Yung rack, ano ba to? Off-road. 110 yata to. Or 125 pala. Ayan. So sa harap, meron din tayong mga unit doon ng mga bago. Pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. Dito sa harap, meron tayo rito mga pang tricycle. Ito, Daan Hari 150, 175. Ito 150. Yung price nila, 50,900. 3.8 yung down. At yung kanilang monthly, check nyo na lang dito. 175 naman, ayan, 55,900, 3.8 yung down, and then yung monthly. So 3 years na yung kanilang mga yung registration dito. Ay sa lahat naman yata 3 years na eh. Meron din tayo rito Daan Hari 125. Ito naman is 46. Ayan. Tapos yung down din 3.8 din. Ito naman Beeperman 150. Sa brand new niya is 62,900, 3.5 din yung down. And then yung ating monthly rito. Ayan, meron silang kulay red and black dito. So sa Marvel 130 Fi, ito naman yung price niya, 62,900, 3.5 yung ating down, and then yung monthly. Ayan. So sa may naman niya, sa may Rapido 110, ito rin yung price, 47,900, 3.5 din yung down, and then yung monthly niya. Ayan. So ito yung mga available units na brand new dito. Tapos meron din tayong Samurai. Ito yung bago nila. Sa price niya, ito yung may price. Ayan. Okay. So puntahan nyo na lang dito. Papakita ko na lang din yung contact number nila rito para at least dun sa mga nagtatanong sa mga available units ni Mitsukoshi, puntahan nyo na lang dito. Lalo na yung mga malalapit dito sa San Rafael branch. Ayos na ayos siya.
Where did you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah? Where did you go when I was alone just looking for hope, yeah? I worked on myself, learned a few lessons. Without you I spread my wings to the heavens. But where did you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah? It was long days and long nights, battling with demons, so tired from the fights, yeah. I was struggling to make ends meet, thought I had you on my team, now the feeling's bitter. now, and it looks different. I was trying to win for us, but you had a different mission. Just listen, I fought hard every day. You gave away someone who would follow you into the grave. Where did you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah? Where did you go when I was alone, just looking for hope, yeah? I worked on myself, learned a few lessons. Without you, I spread my wings to the heavens.
Shoutout ka la, boss. Gusto na pangalan mo, boss? Shoutout ka na, dali. Shoutout kay sir. Ikaw, sir? Gerson? Nelson. Ayun, shoutout sa kanila. Mitsukoshi San Ildefonso, di ba? Shoutout sa kanya. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Oo nga. Uy, happy birthday. Sino may birthday? Ay, birthday mo ba? Ay, happy birthday belated. Walang pa ice cream dyan.
Chance to move on and thrive. So I'll stay strong. I'll live life. I'll be wrong. I'll be right. I'll work hard. See new sights. I'll look deep, yeah, inside. And I'll never look back with any regret. I always tried, always did my best. Pass or fail, at least I took the test. Now I'm just ready for what's next. Let's go! Where did you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah? Where did you go when I was alone, just looking for hope, yeah? I worked on myself, learned a few